Do you feel your store looks a bit plain and want to draw your customers' attention to your standout products? In today's video, we'll show you a quick way to set up and use product badges in the Hyper Shopify theme, helping your products look more impressive and keeping customers engaged longer on your store. Step 1. Add badge tags to your products. Shopify admin. First, let's start from your Shopify admin by adding tags to your products. Go to Products, then open the product you want to highlight. In the Tags section, add a tag that you want to use as a badge. For example, Best Choice, Coming Soon, New Arrival. Once you've added the tag, click Save. You can repeat this step for any other products you want to display badges on. Step 2. Set up badge tags in the Hyper theme. Now that your products already have tags, let's connect those tags to badges in the theme. Go to Online Store Themes, Edit Theme to open the theme editor. From there, select Theme Settings, then open Product Badges. Here, simply enter the same tags you used in your products. Remember, each tag should be on its own line. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Step 3. Display badges on the product page. Next, let's make sure the badges actually appear on your product page. In the theme editor, open the product template where your product is assigned. In the product information section, add the block called Badges and Tags. You can drag this block up or down to adjust its position on the page, depending on where you want the badge to appear. Step 4. Show badges in other sections. You can also display product badges in other areas of your store. For example, Quick View, Featured Product sections. Simply add the Badges and Tags block to those sections in the same way. Step 5. Customize badge appearance. If you want the badges to better match your store's design, you can easily customize their appearance. Go to Theme Settings, Colors. Here, you can change the background color and text color of your product badges. If you want to adjust the badge shape, go to Theme Settings, Layout, where you can choose between square, rounded or pill styles. And that's it. You now know how to use product badges in the Hyper theme to make your featured products stand out and grab your customers' attention. Try applying badges to new products, best sellers, or any items you want your customers to notice first. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.